I got the parking ticket. So we are here at the Fagan Park. $7 ਦੀ ਪੂਰੇ ਦਿਨ ਦੀ ticket ਹੈ. We bought it and we have to display it. See, ਦੀਦੀ ਹੋਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ picnic ਤੇ ਆਏ ਆ. And there they are. I'm gonna help them empty the car ਜੇ ਕੁਝ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ. Do you guys need help? Help ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ help. ਟੋਪੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ. ਤੂੰ No, but whose frisbee is this?
What was that called?
Kenda? Is this Please frisbee?
Please?
Please? Please? You?
Me?
You are clean.
Madam, we're here. We're here.
We are here.
Yeah, you got everyone here. Bableen, check. Kian, the monkey, check. Mama, check. Masi, check. Papa, check.
Masaji.
Masaji, not check. I do not know Punjabi, so Mama will have to translate it. So this is the map of Fagan Park.
Fagan Park. Fagan Park. ਇਹ Fagan Park ਦਾ ਮੈਪ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ 55 ਹੈਕਟੇਅਰ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਹੈ ਤੇ this is the collection of the things that they have here, all of these. See a Chinese garden?
Oh yeah.
They have a Chinese garden here. And by the way, this property was donated by a family, nice family, for people to enjoy. Gardens of many nations. It's that way. And the weather is super nice. थोड़ी थोड़ी हवा चल रही है लेकिन ठंड बिल्कुल ज़्यादा नहीं है. This one and this one. A property 58 hectare the property and दोनों दी है. They didn't have any children. That's why they donated this park, this property to government for people to have fun. And he also, yeah, $1 million the property in 1980. Yeah, that's the history of the park. Look at these nice views. Choti ji pyari ji lake and sit at a very scenic spot. There is going to be that over there, Bindegol. See how pretty that lake is.
Found our spot. It's a nice, beautiful spot. We just gotta be mindful that the ball could go in the water. But otherwise, we found a really beautiful spot. This hill. Everyone wave! Congratulations, only Kian is waving. They did it. There you go, there you go. Now we got some more hands up. How was it? Good job, Papa. Alright, so we're just unpacking our stuff, relaxing.
Packing. Papa is already packing.
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਵੈਦਰ ਉਹਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ 1 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਮੋਰ ਕਲਾਉਡੀ ਲੈਸ ਸਨੀ
ਹਾਂ
ਤੇ ਆਫਟਰ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਗੋਣਾ ਬੀ
Sunny?
ਮੋਰ ਸਨੀ
More
ਲੈਸ
sunny.
ਕਲਾਉਡੀ ਤੇ ਯੂ ਨੈਵਰ ਨੋ
ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ.
ਇਟਸ ਇਨ ਮੈਲਬਰਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਮਨ ਬਣਾ ਖਾਣ ਚੱਲ ਗਿਆ ਉਹਨੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਵੜ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੀ ਮੀਂਹ ਪੈਂਦਾ
दीदी ने कट लिया फ्रूट चाट. इससे चाट मसाला पाएगी दीदी. एक कियान दी है लेकिन कियान गुस्सा होके उत्थे बैठा हुआ है because he wants to play with all the toys and he doesn't want to share. And the sun is out. हुन गर्मी हो जाएगी थोड़ी जी. पवलीन ऑलरेडी पसीनो पसीनी हुई पई है. खेड के आए हैं.
And I'm supposed to be the cameraman of the video.
He was doing ची ची because सारे जाने कुछ ना कुछ खा रहे सीगे ते कर रहे सीगे ते बेचारा लीश ते है ते हुन जिया जी ने इन्हू एदी स्नैक दी एदी पिकनिक डेट थी. आप ये काट लो या ऑरेंज काट लो.
क्या नीचे को रोल कर बेटा हाँ लाइक दैट
नहीं मैं नहीं खा लूँगा फिर लेट हो जाएगा.
So we are taking a stroll around the park. सब तो पहला गार्डन सानू मिले है अफ्रीकन गार्डन जिथे के डेजर्ट वाले प्लांट्स उगाए हुए हैं इन्होंने. Look at this nice tree. That is Punjabi. What are you talking? This is talking English in Punjabi. चल आजा सिर्फ खड़े हैं कुछ नहीं हैगी इनके अंदर कुछ नहीं हैगी कुछ नहीं हैगी कुछ ही नहीं हैगी
Let's go! Isn't this beautiful? Look, this is what nature walks really are. This is a true nature walk.
Like a nice.
We're both filming. Let's film each other.
Yeah.
She's filming me, I'm filming her. Mama,
Seeds in it.
seeds?
Yeah, this plant is Sclevia and there are seeds in it. Can I show you?
Mr. Scientist?
Can I show you the seeds?
Yeah.
Look.
I look better on camera. I look better on camera.
Well, look, these are the seeds but they are not ripe yet.
Wow.
So the ripe seeds are black in color. इस हट के अंदर की है वाकई कुछ नहीं हैगी Where are you going, Ara? Oh, एक छोटी सी कॉटेज भी बनी हुई है उत्थे वाटर नो स्विमिंग
level, you are forbidden to swim in this pool.
ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹ ਲਾਲ ਵਾਲਾ ਮੈਟ ਸਾਡਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਵਾਲਾ that one ਉਹ ਜੀ ਅਜੀ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ It's so beautiful and so scenic. Look at it. Peace and quiet.
I absolutely love this place. It's a really nice view to actually just like hang out in. Like look at this pond. I say this is just a nice view. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? So this is kind of like the place that you like, want to hang out all the time. It's a really good nature walk. So I recommend everyone coming. We're taking the long way around now. I would have taken that bridge shortcut. That would have been easier for us. But just for content of the video, we're taking the long way.
Mediterranean. This is all Mediterranean. Oh, wow. So this one here is the Mediterranean garden. Beautiful. Mediterranean garden which we have a bench. ਇੱਥੇ I think fountain ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਿਆ. Very nice. Oh, ਖੜੀ ਦੀਦੀ. A very nice staircase. Statues ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ हैं ਇੱਧਰ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ. That's an olive tree. And ਇੱਕ statue ਉੱਥੇ ਹੈ. Look at the grand staircase. Come on, Ara. आजा आजा. जल्दी आजा. There is ਉੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ bridge ਹੈਗਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਪਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਧਰ ਜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਵੈਸੇ ਦੀਦੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੂਰ ਹੈ
Need content. So we're going over that whether you like it or not.
Nice duck. Did the duck eat fish?
Yeah, when you were all the way over there doing whatever.
Really?
Yeah.
क्या हसीन पेड़ है, क्या हसीन नज़ारे।
ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ।
फिर क्या है, enjoy.
The most important question of all: which way do we take?
Does anyone need water? There's a bubbler over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
As you know, humans can survive 2 days without water. That's trivia. So I can survive that.
No water at all for 2 days.
I mean, like, I don't have water like that much.
Mama, you can live without food, not without water.
यार दीदी उधर पार्क है, ਉਹ ਦੇਖ ਕਿੱਡਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਗਾਰਡਨ।
चलो
Let's go on that.
ਲੇਕ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਇੱਧਰ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਗੁੱਡ ਵਿਊ ਹੈ।
Mama, that duck has food. That duck has food.
The duck is rushing. I also want it. I also want it.
I wanna go first.
Don't slip, okay?
I promise I won't.
Oh! That was a quick dive. चल आजा। आ रहा, आजो बेटा। Not anymore. We're gonna go to school in 2 days.
You know, you're really just rushing this for me, right?
Sun is good.
Most important question: which way do we take?
That way. I think this way.
Let's just do that.
Look at all the nice lavenders. There are the water birds here. Chestnut teal, Pacific black duck, Australian wood duck, and hardhead. We had so many nice patte that have fallen down dry, but shape कितनी सोनी है। दीदी आ वाले फूल देखे कितने सोने हैं। हाँ
पर्पल ਤੇ ਵਾਈਟ ਜੇ ਹੈ।
हाँ so nice.
ਲੱਗੇ ਹੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ।
What's there to explore?
Nothing really. Just a bench and a good view.
ਡਸਟਬਿਨ।
A bench and a good view.
Aww.
Look, there is that hut over there.
So boring.
वेल चढ़ाई हुई है ऊपर कितनी सोनी है। And you can sit here and relax.
Can I record for a minute?
No, you can talk, say something.
Not. Look at this view, you guys.
Look at this view.
But like every day,
There. I saw it. Like it was right here.
What did you guys find?
I saw a duck and I went in the bushes.
Are you sure it was not a snake
No, it was a duck.
that went into the bushes?
It was a duck. Wait. Something like you can kind of get a glimpse of it. If you look really carefully.
Oh yes, I can see it. It's बहुत bushy है, नहीं नजर आ रहा। Is it the history?
Yeah.
हाँ चलो।
Just
In honor of men and women who served Australia in time of conflict during World War II, lest we forget.
ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੀ ਐਕਸਪਲੋਰਰ ਸਟਫੀ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਸ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ।
हाँ
ਉੱਥੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਆ ਖਾਣਾ ਖੁਣਾ ਖਾ ਕੇ then we'll come back again
हाँ
after
चलो।
lunch।
Yeah, I can do that.
ਔਰ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਫਿਰ ਸਮਾਨ ਸਮੂਨ ਪੈਕ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੱਖ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਵੀ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਪਾਰਕ ਘੁੰਮ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਜਿਹਾ।
Netherby Homestead.
और देखो कि इसमें खेलता लगने वाले हैं
किथे?
ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਕੁੱਤਾ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਘੁੰਮ ਰਿਹਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕਿਆ ਕਰਦਾ
ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਗਾਰਡਨ ਹੈ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲੰਚ ਕਰਨ ਚੱਲੇ ਆ।
ਇੱਧਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਖਿੱਚਣਾ ਨਾ ਮੇਰੇ
ਕਿਹੜਾ ਗਾਰਡਨ ਹੈ?
ਕੋਲ
च केड़ा च डच गार्डन या विल गो हियर लेटर बट आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है कितनी सारी फैमिलीज आई हुई हैं Kian, if you're feeling hot, I can take off your jumper. Have fun, Kiani.
बड़ा मजेदार
Did you play on the playground?
जाके खाना खुना खाना
I go zip line.
Yeah. Where else? Just the zip line.
Yeah.
Slide.
Yeah.
The खाना. हमारा खाना. हमारा खाना. Kiani is tired and hot. Do you need jumper? What do you need jumper for?
Can I take off my jumper like how Kian did?
पता नहीं क्या कह रही हैं
No, beta, he was running. You were not.
बढ़ावा जी पे नहीं था
हाँ.
हाँ नहीं लून है
I want it like without dipped in your food.
दीदी बना रही है ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਦੀਦੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਲੂ ਵਾਲਾ ਰਾਇਤਾ ਕੀ ਪਾ ਦੀਦੀ ਵਿੱਚ
सारा कुछ
ਅਦਰਕ ਤਾਂ ਦਿਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅਦਰਕ ਮਿਰਚ
अदरक मिर्च लून मिर्च मसाला
ਹਲਦੀ ਟੱਚ
लून मिर्च
ਮਸਾਲਾ ਹਲਦੀ ਟੱਚ
बूंदी मसाला
ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਪਈ ਗੇਮ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਖੇਡਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਲੂਣ ਮਿਰਚ ਮਸਾਲਾ ਹਲਦੀ ਠਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਮਾਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਦੈਟਸ ਇਟ
ਤੇਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਐਨ ਗਰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਇੰਨੇ ਪੰਗੇ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ
ਹਾਂ
ਇਹ ਵੀ ਲੂਣ ਮਿਰਚ ਮਸਾਲੇ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਮਾਰਦਾ
put your hands here like
ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਕਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ
Everyone's gathered around. Yeah, everyone gather around. We're having lunch. What's for lunch?
pulao I made pulao less spicy for kids and more spicy for adults
You like spicy? You like spicy? You like spicy?
I love spicy
I can tell, because you're my mama. Here is my beautiful, clean, crystal white plate. You can see it's very white. Everyone has their
ਹੋਰ
plates.
ਕੱਟ ਲਾ ਹੋਰ
Oh, if you can
ਪੁਰਾਣੀਆਂ
touch
ਹੋ ਗਈਆਂ
this, look at
ਪਈਆਂ
design.
ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ
It's cool. Stuffy's just chilling over there.
ਸਿੱਟੀ ਦੇ
Living his life.
ਮੈਨੂੰ
Bubbly's just fanning him. Is he royal now or what? Yeah, so that's going on. Marcy and alright, both of the chefs are here. Both of the chefs are here.
ਮੈਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਸਪੂਨ
and we somehow special pink cutlery for Master Ji
Hey! Why is he the goat?
ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਇਹ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੈ ਸਪੂਨ
I'm ready.
ਪਰ ਪਿੰਕ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਸੀਗਾ
So I've got my plate and my spoon. Yeah, so we're just getting stuff ready, really.
नहीं बच्चा वाला राइस खाने का स्पाइसी राइस
You cameraman, so don't judge me by this. Yes, finally, the match.
give me that plate
ਮੰਮਾ ਨੂੰ ਤੋਂ
We finally have having food handed out by really thoughtful mama. Good job. Pat on the back. Pat on the back.
kian waste
So we have pulao. Yep. Yummy as usual. And then we have this one with like the potatoes dipped in the yogurt thing. I do not know what it's called. Papa's there feeding the monkey.
rice Kian I'm feeding you right remember
And then pink cutlery man is over here. Stuffy.
kian is obviously gonna win the soccer match
No, he's ref. Everyone else is
bowling
playing.
you only playing here and then I will also give you coke you want coke or
नहीं बस वाला
lemon
बेटा खा के देख ट्राई करके देख ये वाला वो तो प्लेन ही है जो तो उसकी तरह
Alright. I'm the first one done. With Kian in second place. Is Kian in second place?
I'm still eating
Oh, so I'm first place for eating. Now everyone.
time
Huh?
for the first time
First
the
time.
last one
वो खाए कितने का
So now we're just.
you want more
Pakka. Alright, so now we're just packing up. Here's the person who gets the pink utensils. And so does Bubbly. Did you steal it from him or did he give it to you?
he gave it
Ah.
Stuffy for the first time is not interested in food he's interested in other doggies
Just vibing out there.
They finish.
So we're just wrapping up. We're legit almost done.
Kian,
We're legit almost done, and then after this, we're gonna continue our walk. Sounds good?
Yeah, we need to digest our food. I mean, so full.